Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Petit Vour and Color Curate by So Susan for the month of November. If you remember last time I received a broken highlighter from Petit Vour. See, very broken, still have it. I don't know why I still have it, should be in the garbage. Anyways, I sent an email to the company, they sent me another one, and it's not broken. So I think it's only fair that I try this product out this month so we can see how it does. That is the color for it, but we're going to continue. Alright, the first item out of the box is the card that shows the theme for the month as well as the items inside with the description and price. I do like this. This is a very pretty fall theme. Like the idea of the hands because Thanksgiving, hands, helping hand. Okay, maybe it's a stretch. I don't know. But I still like it. First thing we pull out of the box, or second thing, is the Lavido Mandarin Aromatic Body Lotion. Indulge with this mandarin orange and bergamot scented lotion formulated for all skin types. This rich but lightweight body lotion restores your skin and leaves it buttery soft. Okay, I don't need to describe the scent because it just told you what was in it. So let me smell it. It smells really nice. I'm really excited about this. It looks like it's got some Hebrew on it too. Anyways, next item out is Juice Beauty Peel Sensitive Exfoliating Mask formulated with botanical juices and alpha hydroxy acid. This mask exfoliates and refines to reduce dark spots and discoloration, delivering spa grade exfoliation, revealing a brighter complexion. I like the idea of another mask. I always love another mask. Who are we kidding here? And let's see what it smells like. I didn't really smell anything, but I am curious about the texture on this, so let's see. Okay, so it is very much so a gel. I'll show you that. See that? It's that right there, not... I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna peel or what, but I'm gonna leave it on my hand a little bit and figure it out, and I'll just tell you about it later. For now, we're just gonna keep going in the box. The next thing we pull out is Josephine Cosmetics the Eye Define. There we go. Richly pigmented and completely waterproof, this stick to your lid formula contains grapefruit seed extract for a smooth application. The felt tip allows for easy movement and effortless strokes to define eyes. So what I do like about is exactly that. I mean, it's not really bleeding at all. It's really pretty. I'm excited about this liner. Next we have Lilani Bless Beauty Balm. Bless your skin with potent skin softening and skin nourishing ingredients. Rich butters combined with orange blossom and blue tangy oils nurture and help reduce inflammation. Okay, so I'm not really sure how to use that yet, but that's what it looks like, and it smells amazing. It smells so amazing. First thing out of the Color Curate bag, of course, is the card with the theme as well as the items listed with the price. This bag does not have a description of anything in it, so your guess is as good as mine. And I'm a little bit surprised about these colors because these are not colors I associate with November, but I really do like the theme. I think it's really pretty. First thing we got here is the Diamond Twinkle Blending Brush. Now I do have a couple of the brushes already, and I'm going to show it to you because I do really like these brushes. Probably need to clean this one, but anyways, I have two other, now I have a third one. I really like them. I like the handles. I think they're really pretty. So happy to be adding to the collection of these beautiful brushes. The next thing we have is lip oil in Cherry Tomato by Jelly Pong Pong. Now this is again an oil, so it looks like oil, but at first I thought I had seen it before because I have one of their lip oils and it is in watermelon, and it's this one right here, and I do use it. I like these because I can get the red color without going super crazy, but those are those side by side. This is the watermelon, this is the cherry, the one that I just got. And there are swatches of it. Watermelon, cherry. Very different looks. I really do like it. I think it is great for the holiday season. So yeah, happy to have something to give me a little pop of color without going overboard on a daily basis. The next thing we got is Bon Bon Bling Lustrous Potted Pigment by Trifle Cosmetics. This is a nice shimmer green color. You can see it there. Very pretty, very pigmented. Love it again. And of course with that lip oil, that's a really pretty pairing. I'm excited. I really am excited. Last item out of the bag is the Maestro eyeshadow and blush palette. And I think this is really pretty. Again, not something I would associate with November, but this is really pretty. Those colors I think are really nice, very much so wearable for November, very Thanksgiving-y. And I gotta show the palette again. Look at that. So that's the blush, those are the eye colors, and yeah, that is pretty. I am really excited about this selection, and I'm going to go try them out for the next 5 days, come back and let you know my thoughts on these. Alright, so it has been 5 days, sorry about that, but I have tried everything out, so we are going to go ahead and get into it. I did not sort these beforehand, and I really should have before I turned on the camera, but that's fine. We're going to keep going. So the first thing we are going to talk about is the stuff that was in the Petit Vour box. As you know, I received this one from the previous box broken. So they sent me another one. I tried it, and guess what? Of course I liked it. So good on that. And then there was the green apple peel sensitive for sensitive skin. I tried it. This product's not really for me. I've tried multiple things by Juice Beauty, and I just don't think their products are for me. I'm not saying that they're a bad product, but for my skin, it doesn't feel good for me. So there's that. And then there was this body lotion from La Vito. I used it up, so clearly I loved that. And then there was this beauty balm. Now I'm not even sure if I was using it right. I used it at night as a moisturizer, and I used quite a bit because again I wasn't really sure if I was using it right, but I still liked it. It smells great. And then they had one makeup item in it this month, and it was this eyeliner, this liquid eyeliner, and this is probably one of my favorite liquid liners right now. It went on really smooth, and it was just really, really pretty, wore really well, didn't bleed. It was really great. So for that one, I am still counting this one, so I'm going to count 5 items on this one. So out of the 5 items from that, it is a 4 out of 5 because I didn't care for this one. So it was still pretty good. Now for the color Curate, they sent me the brush here, and of course I already had 2 others that I've gotten from boxes, but I'm happy about it because I really like these brushes, so I felt that it was a good addition. And then they sent this mineral, it's edible gold. That's interesting. But anyways, I did try this out. I do really like this. This went a lot further than I expected it to. You really don't need much of this to work, and it's really pretty. Then they had the lip oil, and I already have a lip oil from them, but it was a different red. But I really do like this. I really like the look that it gives my lips. So that was another good product for me. And then they had the palette here. Those beautiful colors. These colors were really, they wore really well. So I'm very happy with this palette. It's a very nice palette. So for the 4 items in that one, that was another 4 out of 4. It was really strong. So I think both of these boxes, bags, whatever you want to call them, were both very strong this month. And I'm excited to see what they're going to have for me in December. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite item was. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.